Hi friends, good morning. In the last lecture we have seen if real part is given, how can we solve the complex function, and if imaginary part is given, then also we can find out the complex function. That all we are discussed. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss if real part is given, okay, we can find out the imaginary part. If imaginary part is given, you can find out the real part also. So let us discuss first, if real part is given, how can we solve the imaginary part? Okay, so this V is the method. So we can say U and V are harmonic conjugates each other. One is real part and other is imaginary part. So the heading is suitable, that is method to find the harmonic conjugate. Okay, so if real part is given, this is the equation which we are going to use to find out the imaginary part. Okay, so V is equal to, the method to find the formula is V is equal to integral minus dou u by dou y dx plus integral, this is u, right? So this is a typing error. So minus dou u by dou y dx plus integral dou u by dx dy, and during the integration process you have to integrate the term containing the term does not contain x, and also during the integration process you have to treat y as a constant during this integration. During this integration you have to keep this term only with the no x term. Okay, so that only you have to integrate. Okay, so this all about this equation. So when I do one problem, you will get more idea. Okay, so let us go to one problem. See, here you have a question. See, u of xy is given. So this is our real part is given. U of xy is equal to x plus half into x square minus y square. So this is the real part of the analytic function. Okay, now it is the real part of the complex function f of z is equal to x plus I. What is the imaginary part? Okay, this is a previously asked CSIR question. Okay, now as per our method you can directly apply. Okay, so what is u? U is equal to given, u is equal to x plus half into x square minus y square, right? So as per our formula, v is equal to integral minus dou u by dou y dx plus integral dou u by dou x dy. So this is the formula which we have studied, right, to find out v. Okay, if real part is given, we can find out the imaginary part using this formula. What is dou u by dou y? We can substitute a value. What is dou u by dou y? With respect to y, this x is constant. So this all are, so the answer is minus y, right? When I am doing this is 0 plus half you can take when x square doing 0, and when you are doing minus y square you will get minus 2y with respect to y. So the answer is minus y. And what is dou u by dou x? We can find out dou u by dou x, that is 1 plus half into x square on doing 2x, y square on doing 0. So I can write 1 plus x, right? Now I can substitute all these values here, that is v is equal to minus integral minus dou u by dou y, that we have already got, that is minus y, right, minus y dx plus what is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is equal to, that already we got, that is 1 plus x integral 1 plus x dy, right? Now here when I am integrating, that's already given in the expression, we have to integrating by treating y as a constant. Okay, here no x term we can avoid the no x term containing terms, that only we need to integrate. Okay, so if I am treating this y as a constant during this integration. Okay, so that is v is equal to, if I am keeping this y as a constant, y I can take integral dx plus, here we need to take only the term which are not containing x. Okay, so integral dy only we have to do, x term we can avoid. Okay, so that is y into integral dx is x plus integral dy is y. So the xy plus y is the imaginary part. So the answer is A. Answer option is A. Now let us discuss, if imaginary part is given, we can write the another equation. Okay, if imaginary part is given, then the equation is u is equal to integral dou v by dou y dx minus integral dou v by dou x dy. Here y term during the integration process, y you can take as a constant, and as we have done earlier, okay, the same format. Okay, no x term containing part only you have to integrate. Okay, now let us do one problem, then you will get more idea. Okay, see the harmonic conjugate given v is given. Okay, find u. First we have the partial derivative of with respect, so we have to find u. Okay, so to find out u, so we can write the formula first. Okay, v is equal to minus e raised to minus x sin y. So the things which we can calculate from it, dou v by dou x, that is when I am doing with respect to x, sin y is a constant. So again that is e raised to minus x on doing minus e raised to minus x, so e raised to minus x sin y. When I am doing dou v by dou y with respect to y, e raised to minus x is a constant minus e raised to minus x. Okay, that is a constant, and sin y on doing cos y, right? So these are the things. Now we can directly substitute in the expression. Okay, so let us go to the expression. So here, okay, so if I substitute here, u is equal to integral, what is dou v by dou y? Dou v by dou y is equal to minus e raised to minus x cos y dx plus, not plus, then here we have minus integral dou v by dou x, that is e raised to minus x sin y, right, into dy. Now here we can take this e raised to minus x, right? This e raised to minus x with respect to dx, y term you can take as a constant. So minus cos y I can take out, right? So when I am taking this minus cos y out, then I have to integrate only this e raised to minus x dx, and here we can avoid the terms which containing x. So this term does not come in the equation, because the entire term will be cancelled, because the e raised to x as x term, no other term we have without x. So this is the final result, plus c. So cos y we can take out, e raised to minus x on integration, e raised to minus x divided by minus 1, that is the final result will be e raised to minus x cos y plus c. So this will be the result. So let me go to the answer. Okay, yes, so e raised to minus x cos y plus c, that will be our final u. Okay, so this all about this session, and in the next session we will discuss Lorentz series and all. Okay, thank you.